Hi, this is Mary from Rancho Cucamonga. Look at those beautiful golden fries. I guess you're thinking of preparing a meal. No, a potato's more than just a meal. A potato is rich in vitamin C, which is vital to maintaining healthy skin. Thus, this starchy vegetable is beneficial to your skin in the following ways. By using a cool rinsed potato juice as a daily use, you can say goodbye to spots and unwanted blotches, thanks to the awesome starch that's in a potato. You can grate your potato and refrigerate the fresh juice or cut it in slices and use the slices like a cotton pad. Because in a potato you have natural starches and it's like a wing starch and it's milky, and what it does, it will brighten your eye area by applying it around directly on the affected area around your eyes or on your skin or on your hands. And also too, the potato too is good for removing dead skin cells. By slicing the potato, you rinse your potato, and then after you rinse your potato, you cut it in slices. These discs right here are good to use like a pad. And then you take those slices, discs, wedges, and you place those in a freezer bag. Now, I place mine in a freezer bag. I kind of like lay them flat and separate them. They're going to stick together, but they will come apart very easily. And you want to use this like a cotton pad. And then you just rub that all over your face. If you don't want to, shred the potato, you can just do them in slices like this. And if you do, you rub it on your hands, rub it over your neck, and leave it on for 15 to 30 minutes, and then rinse it and wash it off. Place the disc into the refrigerator now, or you can grate it. And after you grate it, you get a cheesecloth. Take some of the grated potato, place it in this cheesecloth, and just squeeze. See, if you don't want to use the disc, these are different ways you can use it. You can either just squeeze it or place the potato in a blender and use it like, and make a blender and use that paste and rub it on your face, or squeeze it in a cheesecloth and use the juice, and then you can place that juice in a bottle. Remember, leave this on your face from 15 to 30 minutes and then rinse it off. It's good for your hands, it's good for your neck, and it will remove dead skin cells and brighten up your skin. And your skin will be as soft as a baby bottom if you do this on a regular basis. It's also good too, the potato is good too for a sunburned skin. The potatoes has like a bleaching properties in it, and it will also cool down your skin. Now I'm placing the juice inside a spray bottle. Shake it up before you use it. This is Mary Villalba from Rancho Cucamonga, California. Ladies, please don't forget to get a mammogram, because early detection will save your life. Not might, but it will save your life. Get one every 2 to 3 years. Please don't forget. And also to men, rose water and potato juice does not discriminate. It's also good for you too. It's good for everyone. Don't forget to take care of your skin, because you're worth it, right? Have a nice day. Talk to you soon.